Hey guys, I'm Mr. Templeton, and this will be my fourth year here as the engineering teacher for Orchard Farm High School. This year, I'll be teaching all of our Project Lead the Way engineering courses, which includes our new intro course, Engineering Essentials, our second year course, Principles of Engineering, our elective course, Aerospace Engineering, and our capstone course, Engineering, Design, and Development. I'll also be teaching a robotics class where we'll have several teams compete in this year's first tech challenge. Last year, 2 of our teams made it all the way to finals at our qualifier, so I'm hoping this year we'll come back even stronger and make it all the way to the state championship. As our school's robotics coach, I also be running our robotics club as it competes in this year's first robotics challenge at Chaffetz Arena. While our event was canceled last year due to COVID, we are ready to compete this year and hope to make it into finals for our 4th season in a row. Finally, I'm also our school's Quiz Bowl coach, and while our postseason was canceled last year, we are hoping to again qualify for Small Schools Nationals and actually get to compete this time around. If you're into Super Smash Bros., Quiz Bowl also plans to host several Smash tournaments this year, so be on the lookout for those. Again, I'm Mr. Templeton, and if you're interested in engineering, want to check out robotics, or think Quiz Bowl might be your thing, hit me up next week when y'all get back to school.